morning students. In the previous class we discussed about the addition of the matrices and the operation on the properties of the matrices. So in this class we have to discuss about the multiplication of a matrices. As we studied in the addition of a matrices, we required the one condition that two matrices are addable if they have the same order. Two matrices can be added if those two matrices have the same order. Same as that of condition here also required. Here is different condition is required. That is, two matrices are multiplied if and only if a matrix A and matrix B. These two matrices are being multiplied if the number of columns of a matrix A must be equal to the number of rows of a matrix B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A ಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ B ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಗೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ A equal to Aij, it is a matrix of order m cross n, and if you consider a B equal to Bij, it is a matrix of order n cross p. See here, in the matrix of matrix A have the n number of columns and matrix B has the n number of rows. It means number of columns of A is equal to the number of columns of P. Then only we can multiply these two matrices. That is, A into B is possible, and it is also one matrix, that is C, which containing the element Cij, which is of the order m cross P. It means a matrix having m cross n. ಇದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿದೆ n cross p. ಸೊ ಇವೆರಡು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ n ನ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ m cross p. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ isn't it? If you take the example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 2 cross 2 matrix. It is also the 2 cross 2 matrix. See here, A is a matrix having the number of columns are 2. B is the having the matrix number of rows are 2. Number of columns is equal to the number of rows of B. Then we can multiply these two matrices. Then multiplication is possible. So multiplication rules. So we have to multiply first row with first column. Each element of a first row with first column. First row of a matrix A with the first column of a matrix B. So in the first row, first element is 1, and in the matrix B, first row, first element is 5. So we have to multiply 1 into 5, and the second element of the first row of a matrix A is 2, and the second element of a column of matrix B is 7. So we have to add these, that is 2 into 7. Similarly, first row, second column. So 1 into 6. Then addition we have to take 2 into 8. 2 into 8. So the first row, first column is over here, and first row, second column is over. So next we have to take second row, first column. We have to take second row, first column, and we have to write in the second row. So 3 into into 5 plus 4 into 7. Similarly, second row, second column, we have to write in the fourth element of the multiplied matrix. 3 into 6 plus 4 into 8. If you solve it, it will be 5 plus 14, 6 plus 16, 15 plus 28, 18 plus 32. If you add these, we get 19, 22, 43, 50. It is the matrix multiplication. It is the required answer of the multiplication of these two matrices. Is it clear? Multiplication is possible only when the number of columns of a matrix A must be equal to the number of rows of a matrix B. This is the multiplication of a matrices. As we studied the properties of a addition of a matrices, here also we have the some properties of a matrix multiplication. If you see one by one, that is properties of matrix multiplication. Addition of a matrix is commutative, but in this case of matrix multiplication, commutative property is not holds. It holds the associative property. Addition of a matrices are also satisfy the associative property, as well as multiplication of a matrices also satisfy the associative property. That is A into bracket B into C, it must be equal to the multiplication of AB into C. This is called the associative properties of a matrix multiplication. And the second property is distributive property. So distributive property is the applicable for only matrix multiplication. If you consider three matrices A, B, C, then we have A into bracket B plus C, which is equal to AB plus AC. If you consider the A plus B into C, we have AC plus BC. This is called the distributive property, because here addition is also there, multiplication is also there. So combining equation can be distributed in two parts. That's why it is called a distributive property. And similarly, as in the addition of the matrices, we have the existence of identity. What is the identity of the matrix addition? The zero matrix is the multiplicative identity for the matrix addition. Similarly, in this case, multiplicative identity is identity matrix. So the third one is existence of multiplicative identity. of addition we have A plus 0 equal to A. Here A is a matrix and 0 is the 0 matrix. Then we get the same matrix, that is A. It is here 0 matrix is called the additive identity for the matrix addition. Similarly, here for every square matrix, there exists an identity matrix of same order such that I into I equal to we get the same matrix, that is A. It means here the identity matrix I. Matrix A ಅನ್ನೋದು matrix I matrix order ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಸೇಮ್ order the identity matrix exist ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ identity matrix ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ identity matrix ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆ matrix ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ matrix ಸಿಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ I is the identity matrix or multiplicative identity for the matrix multiplication. These are the properties of a matrix multiplication. So let me discuss some problems. Consider the problem, that is first one. Let A equal to 2, 4, 3, 2. B equal to 1, 3, minus 2, 5. C equal to minus 2, 5, 3, 4. These are the three matrices. Then find each of the following. In that case, first one is, that is A, matrix A plus B. A minus B. That is third one is 3A minus C. Fourth one is AB. And BA. So if you consider the first one, that is A. What is A? We have to add matrix A plus B. We know the matrix addition is possible only when those two matrices have the same order. Here in this case, matrix A have the order of 2 cross 2 and matrix B have the order of 2 cross 2. So matrix A and matrix B, these two have this same order, then we can add these two matrices. So while adding, we have to add the corresponding elements of these two matrices. So A11 position ಒಳಗೆ 2 ಅದ, B11 position ಒಳಗೆ 1 ಅದ. So we have to add these two corresponding elements, that is 2 plus 1. Next 4 plus 3. 3a minus c and ab. So I will do this third one, last one, ba. So you have to try these three problems. So the last one is, that is, consider ba. So ba means we have to multiply b into a. So first check whether the number of columns of b is equal to number of columns of a or not. So b is 2 cross 2 matrix. Here the number of columns are 2. B is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. It is also have the number of rows are equal to 2. It means b, number of columns of b is equal to the number of columns of a. Therefore we can multiply the matrices b and a. So first we have to write the matrix b and a. So what is the matrix b? 1, 3, minus 2, 5, and the matrix a is 2, 4, 3, 2. So we have to multiply this matrix. So the condition is we have to multiply first row, first column first. So take the element first one. First row, first element is 1. First column of a and the first element is 2. So we have to multiply, that is 1 into 2 plus 3 into 3. First row, first column. Either mukund melena no next go back. So first row, second column. So completely one row, one column complete agutana one element adi irutte. So one element oda bariyodu. So next we should consider first row, second column. So we have to consider first row, second column. Here in this case is 1 into 4 plus 3 into 2. That means first row, second column also is over. So next we have to move through the second row of a matrix B with the first row of a matrix A. So we have to take, that is, minus 2 into 2 plus 5 into 3. Again second row of a matrix B with the second column of a matrix A. Then we have minus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2. Then we have the answers 2 plus 9, 4 plus 6, minus 4 plus 15, minus 8 plus 10. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 4 plus 6 is 10, minus 4 plus 15. So we have to subtract 4 from the 15, that is plus 11, and minus 10 plus 8 means plus 2. It is the required answer of the matrix multiplication B into A. And next we move to the construction of the matrices. It will ask for the 3 marks questions. We have to construct the matrix with their given condition, and it requires for the 3 marks questions in the examinations. Take it down. Next problem is, which is of the type construction. So we have to construct the matrix with their given condition. So construct a matrix. Construct a 2 cross 2 matrix. The given the matrix is of the order 2 cross 2. Has A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by In this case, first one is Aij equal to I plus j whole bracket square divided by 2. And the second one is Aij equal to I by j. And third one is Aij equal to I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. So we have to construct the matrix is of order 2 cross 2. So 2 cross 2 matrix construct ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೇಕು? 2 cross 2 matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗ? So it is containing the 4 elements. 2 cross 2 matrix means, so first we have to write the general form of the 2 cross 2 matrix. It means it containing the element A11, A12, next is A21, A22. It is the 2 cross 2 matrix because it containing the 2 rows and 2 columns. So first element is represent the A11. It means it is the position of the first row, first column the element ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ A11. First row, second column the element ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ A12. So we have to construct this type of matrix with the given condition, that is Aij equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. Here I and j represent the number of rows and j represent the number of columns. Write down the first condition, that is Aij equal to I plus j whole square divided by 2. So we require A11. So if you take A11, it means in the place of I we have to take 1, in the place of j we have to take 1. I value 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ j value 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? A11 equal to 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 1 means 2, that is 2 square is 4, 4 by 2, and its answer is 2. So next we have to take the element A12. A12. So ಈ element ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? First I identity value 1, second that is the number of column is 2. If you take this, that is I place ಒಳಗ 1, j place ಒಳಗ 2 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2, that is 3 square means 9 divided by 2. Similarly A21, it represents the second row, first column. So here the I value is 2 and the j value is 1. So it will take the 2 plus 1 square divided by 2. It is also the 9 by 2. If you take the last element, that is A22, here the I value is 2 as well as j value is 2. So we get that is 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? 4 square is nothing but the 16 divided by 2. We get the answer 8. So ಇಷ್ಟ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರವರ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ನೋಟೇಷನ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪುಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ A equal to A11. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ A11 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ? 2. Similarly A12 matrix the A12 element is 9 by 2. Next A21 element is, it is also the 9 by 2, and A22 is element is 8. If you solve this up to this, you will get the 3 marks. marks. So this is about the construction of the matrices. You have to try for these two conditions. It is easy. It is containing only 2 cross 2 matrix. Try for these two conditions. Next we move to the construction of the 3 cross 4 matrix. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು 2 cross 2 ದು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು. ಈಗ 3 cross 4 matrix ನ construct ಮಾಡಿ with the different condition. The condition is first one, Aij equal to 2i minus j. So as like the previous problem, first we have to represent the general form of the 3 cross 4 matrix. A21, A22 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. 3 cross 4 matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Number of rows 3 ಇರ್ತಾವೆ, number of columns 4 ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. So ಅದರ ಜನರಲ್ representation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of rows are 3 and number of columns are 4. That is A11, A12, A13, A14. Because the number of columns are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of columns are 4 and number of rows are 2. That is A21, A22, A23, A24. Next A31, A32, A33, A34. So consider the first one, that is A11. The condition is 2i minus j. So in place of I and j we have to replace the values of I and j. So 2i minus j. Here I value is 1, j value is also 1. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 2 into 1 minus 1. That is 1. Similarly A12. I value 1, j value 2. So ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 2 into 1 minus 2. That is 0. A13. 2 into 1 minus 3. That is minus 1. Next A14. 2 into 1 minus 4. That is minus 2. Similarly A21. It is 2 into 2 minus 1. So it is 3. Similarly A22. 2 into 2 minus 2 is 2. Again A23. 2 into 2 minus 3 is 1. Required A24. That is 2 into 2 minus 4. That is equal to 0. And the third row, first element is A31. That is 2 into I is here 3. 3 minus 1. So it is 5. A32. 2 into 3 minus 2. 4. A33. 2 into 3 minus 3. That is 3. A34. 2 into 3 minus 4. That is 2. These are the elements of the 3 cross 4 matrices. We have to represent in the matrix form. That is A equal to A11 is 1, A12 0, A13 minus 1, A14 minus 2. Similarly A21 3, A22 2, A23 1, A24 0, we have to try another problem, that is Aij equal to 1 by 2 minus 3I plus j. Try for this condition. So up to this we have studied the matrix multiplication and how to construct the matrix when the condition is given. So next class we will go through the some other problems. Thank you.